wonder how a drug gets its name?
Some of the biggest pharmaceutical drugs in the world are named in downtown Miami. 7's Diana Diaz has more.
Yes.
Relevant, Extavent,
Cistralis, They are the ultimate name droppers.
Those names will then go through in-depth trademark screening.
32-year-old Scott Piergrossi and his creative team at the Brand Institute in downtown Miami have unique jobs you probably didn't even know existed. They name pharmaceutical drugs.
You might be shocked to know that a drug that your relative is on or you're on, the name for that was developed right here in Miami. Last year, we partnered on 80% of the names approved by FDA.
So what goes into developing a drug name?
Enduring. That's a great concept. Enduring or endurance.
The creative team sits through weeks of brainstorming sessions where they throw out thousands of names.
The process usually involves about the creation of 2,000 names per project.
Then over several months, it's boiled down to about 8 to 10 names to submit to the pharmaceutical client.
When we create a name, there are visual elements, but there are also communicative elements. So we want the name to either paint an image or be a little more descriptive in a specific benefit of the product.
Ladies recognize the name Latisse, the popular drug that claims to make your eyelashes long and lush. Scott and his team came up with the name.
It's primarily coined from Matisse, the artist and sculptor. And then you have the LA prefix, which communicates lash.
Or how about the sleep aid Lunesta?
Lunesta was crafted from the lunar imagery, so nighttime it's a sleep aid, and then the suffix connoting restorative sleep.
Would you say this?
Since a drug's name must also be approved by the FDA, Brand Institute even has a team of healthcare professionals like pharmacist Brian Frasca to test out the safety of a name.
Our #1 priority is making sure that the names we bring to market aren't going to be confused as other products and possibly cause medication error.
You may think it would be hard to constantly come up with new names, but Scott says after 11 years on the job, he has yet to be stumped.
The Pony Express, is that what?
The Barry University graduate is constantly coining names while showering or exercising, and it's even fun for his friends.
My friends constantly, they give me ridiculous products and they ask me to name them. Like, they make up crazy things and they're like, name it. I'm like, this is ridiculous, but I usually do, and everyone gets a laugh.
Brand Institute has also come up with 75% of the approved names for drugs used in Europe. In the Flex, I'm Diana Diaz.